Hi Leo, I'm Anisha. To know more about my work, you may visit my website www.tarotbyanisha.com. For those of you who are seeking deeper clarity, be it in your love lives or your career, for a personal consultation, you may write to me at tarotbyanisha@gmail.com. Leos, it's a lovely month and an extremely important month as we have the equinox that is there in mid-September and this spring solstice, depending of course on which part of the globe you're in, whether it is going to be spring or it's a fall that you're getting ready for. It's a time of change. It's a lovely month to not just be letting go of things that are not working for you, but it's a month to be going with the flow. There's a lot of mutable energy around, and we have mutable signs like we have Gemini, Virgo, Sagittarius and Pisces, and which basically speak of not resisting change. They speak about just sort of, you move along, you go along with the tide, and you try not to sort of resist or fight it. It's a month where we are beginning with the first 5 days where Mercury is still retrograde, and we all remember it really not a great time to be buying expensive electronic items, not a great time to be traveling as well, not a great time to be picking up a new job or picking up new negotiations, but a brilliant time to be relooking at things which maybe require more of your detail, a brilliant time to be revising and retweaking things and projects that may have been pending, or that's a time that you're going to be presenting next month. Wait till about 6th, wait till about a week gets over till you start doing things again in a fresh new way. On the 6th, we have Mercury that is going direct, and it's going direct in your own house, lovely Leos. So a lot of conversations around you, and you love talking about yourselves. It's going to be about your dreams, your desires, what it is that you want in life. In fact, a lot of attention would be there on you, and you would quite enjoy it. You could be either sharing ideas, you could be full of beans, and some of you could even go in for a complete makeover, a new me. Some of you may even adapt new ideologies, philosophies, and you could be looking at life quite differently. This, however, is also combined with a full moon which is there in your house of joint finances, resources, sexuality and intimacy, and also transformation. Now this full moon indicates that a time has sort of come to let things to rest. Besides, of course, either a project getting over, or in certain cases even a relationship coming to an end, it also speaks about putting to rest power struggles. What is it that I am giving that you are not giving? How come you are not giving what I am giving? And this can be both at work and in personal relationships. Of course, in personal relationships, it's more about intimacy, it's about sexuality. So some of you could be feeling slightly distant from your partner. It's a good time to be bringing those things out in the open. It's a good time to talk. I think communication, it's wonderful, even if things are slightly sensitive and awkward. Please talk about them. Just air them out. Don't let these things fester. It doesn't do anyone any good. And during this time as well, with the power struggles, try not to get too fixated also about your pride, Leos. I mean, you have a huge ego, let's admit it, and a lot of times you are forced to sort of give up on opportunities because your pride won't allow you, your ego won't allow you. It's more like, how can I ask, how can I do this? But because this month is all about change, and change should relatively be easy, even though you're not really the most, you're not a mutable energy, Leo. So you find it slightly hard to sort of go with the flow, leave things to the wind. But this month you're just being asked to sort of, get your foot off the pedal. Don't try to steer too hard in a certain direction. Just be on an autopilot mode for some time for this month, and just let universe take care of you. We also have Mars that is going into your house of money, and it is joining Sun over there. That's a beautiful aspect. So maybe some of you could be getting more money, and this could be earned income. Some of you could also be moonlighting, you could be freelancing more actively. There could be multiple jobs that you're handling at this time. For some of you, it can be that you are finally getting paid for a project that you love doing, you really enjoy doing. So there's going to be this sense of pure joy, this childlike joy about doing this project, and you get paid for it. So it's a win-win. On the 23rd, we have your ruling planet, that is Sun, that moves to your house of travel, communication, and higher mind as well. And this is a time where you're being asked to learn more. You're being asked to maybe hone your skills more, maybe sharpen your knowledge more, get more in-depth studies about what is it that you need to be understanding more in order to be taking a decision. In some cases, it also, because it's a house of siblings as well, you could either be spending some time with siblings, enjoying your time with siblings, or a sibling's house could be a second home for you, and there could be some wonderful exchange. In few cases, it can be that you're being asked to sort of mediate and be this peacemaker in the family as far as your sibling is concerned. So this entire September, Leos, uses mutable, flexible energy to literally sort of without guarantees change, go along with things, see as to where it goes. Try not to be not just hungover, but I think try not to be too fearful as well this month. I mean, you're one of the zodiacs that is, it's lion, you're fearless, you're brave. But somewhere at the back of your mind, there could almost be this childlike fear that what if? But this month you're being asked to sort of take a leap of faith and let the universe, who knows, maybe, what you'll get in return. Maybe it could be a wonderful new opportunity as far as your career is concerned. It could be a new love. It could be a completely new life as well. And you really won't know till the time that you don't jump. It's been a pleasure speaking with you, Leos. I'll see you again soon, and thank you so much for watching.